Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you everyone? Hope you all are well. Welcome to computer class. With a lot of love to my sweet students. Your drawing is super, your work is excellent. I don't have any words to say super excellent. This words also very light because online teaching it's not easy. Alhamdulillah, from your side cooperation with me, I feel like so good. I cannot tell how much I am feeling so good. Thank you once again. Your work very good, really. I appreciate to each student as well as the parents. They are showing me good interest. Let's now we will start our computer class. So dear all, if you don't have computer, as you know, I am trying to provide each word and sentence from the book same. Okay dear, so don't worry about the book, don't think I don't have the books. So we will start our lesson. Computers are available in the different size. Some computers are big, some medium size, and some are small. You know the computer sizes, right? Now come to the down. Desktop computer. Desktop means which one we are keeping on the table, which one specially we are making for the computer table, desktop. Okay, such computers are used in homes and office. How we are using in home? Now you are seeing the snap, you can see the snap also, no problem, and you can see the online classes. If you want anything, if the teacher gave any assignment, you're going and typing in YouTube or Google's, you're doing at home. That's why we are using in home. And office means you saw everywhere. Whenever you're going, you saw the computers everywhere, like school office, school admin, school staff room, everywhere you can see the computer. And everywhere, any mall, before I told you, clothes shops, shoe shops, malls, you can see the computers. Okay, they are kept on the desk. These work only on electricity. They are also known as personal computer. The desktop computer we cannot take here, there, whenever we are going, like we are going to India or somewhere countries, so we are carry easily other things. What? Let's next I will tell to you. But the system, that desktop computer we cannot take, it's so heavy, we can't carry together keyboard, mouse, two weight, CPU plus monitor. It's so difficult, right? Instead of this much system, we can use, wow, I know my students are so intelligent, yes, laptop. Now you are listening to me through the laptop. Laptop is the lighter and the smaller in size than a desktop. Computer, it looks like a briefcase. A laptop computer can be carried while traveling. It can also work on a battery. We are only charging battery, so we will use the laptop, tab, and our phones. Different type of phones and different type of laptops. It's depend batteries. It is also electronic item, but it can have the power to save the electricity. That's why they have given the battery. So it will take 2 hours or more than hours. So it stay depend on your work. So but the desktop computer, whenever you go, you cannot carry, and where the switch box we are keeping the there, because it has plug. and we are attaching with the to mouse and keyboard to the CPU. So wires also there, but the laptop only we are using one charger, as you know everybody have. Okay dear all, I hope you understand this. Please read it. Don't think teacher explained enough. Please read it. Okay, reading is so important. Read again and again, again and again, again and again. Okay, now come to the tablet computer. Tablets nowadays everybody are using. It is a mobile like computer. It works simply by the touching its screen. A tablet computer can be carried while traveling. It can also work on a battery. I told you before also, even mobile phone, tab and this depend on the battery. It also using electricity. This also electronic item only. Okay dear, see next. Wow, how many students have smartphone? Don't say I don't have. I know you are in second class, but mashallah, you know WhatsApp, others games, others chattings. So you are the, compared to smartphone, my students are smart. But we are reading about the and learning about the smartphone. So come to the smartphones. Smartphone is a mobile phone. What? Yes, mobile phone. Smart means it have nose, eyes, beautiful. No, 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 no. Smartphones means it have many features. Which has many features means apps easily. A smartphone is a mobile phone which has many features in it. Besides making calls, you can also play game, draw picture, etc. Okay dear student. Now see the rules when you will enter the library or computer lab. Whenever you want to read the books, you are rushing, it's not good. Where you are going without queue, it's so difficult. Okay, if you go to the library and computer lab, make proper line and don't take any liquid item like tea, milk, water. Okay, you are the small student, you are using milk and water bottles. Even not at home also, don't keep anything near the laptop or computer. It's not safe, it's not good. If you are using laptop, computer and any electronic item, don't keep near liquid items. So here I want to show you, if you are rushing like this, it's not good. It's not a looking good. See, you want some knowledge, you should sit properly and see, here is the easy way to explanation and understanding. So do not make noise in a computer lab. If you go computer lab, inshallah I will show you how you will enter in the computer lab and what you will do. Okay, we will do practical inshallah also. And always follow the instruction given by the teacher. Now I am giving the instructions, later on inshallah you will follow. So please be careful, whether you at home or in the school, you should not carry liquid item near the electronic item. Okay, and laptop, computer, it's so bad habit and so danger for it. Okay dear all, I hope you understand. Now you know it's a chapter. So now here is the main importance lines. So these lines, now you know, you put the heading and complete in the copy. This picture no need to draw, only write this point. A computer is an electronic machine Desktop computer is a medium size computer and is kept on a desk to work. Laptop computer can be carried while traveling and can also work on a battery. A tablet computer is a mobile like computer. A smartphone is a mobile phone which has new features in it. Okay, this is a very important. Maybe it is coming in the fill in the blanks, or it will come question answers. So better you keep in the mind, write in the copy. No, and use please color pencils. Okay, now you know, write with the color pencil and underline. And here is the symbol is given. If you want the make arrow, sorry, if you want to the make the arrow, no problem, you can make the arrow here. Instead of his diamond shape, you will make any shape as you like, or if you want same you can, but with the colored pencils. Okay, thank you so much. Now come key terms. Key terms is the so important also. PC, it's a short form. PC is the personal computer. Learn, this is very important, because nowadays we are using where your PC. No one saying where is your personal computer. Okay, and laptop is a portable computer and can fit on your lap. Okay dear, we can easily carry the laptop. It's look like a suitcase. It has battery, it depend on the battery. Okay dear, I hope you understand each and everything. Now I am giving the new words. I already gave the 6 I think new words. Please include this 10 also, and please by heart. If it is repeated, no need to write. I think it is not repeated. Please follow the instruction whatever the teacher given. Okay, it's a new words: computer, electricity, personal, laptop, carried, tablet, smartphone, portable, mistakes, desktop. Okay dear, I hope you like my class and you enjoy. Thank you so much. Miss you, miss you, miss you. Inshallah we will meet very soon. Thank you so much. Bye bye.